This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add your home and work addresses in Google Maps using a mobile device. I'll be using an iPhone SE, but this will work pretty much the same on any mobile device. Let me jump over to Google Maps. Okay, the first thing you'll have to do is open Google Maps, of course. Then to add your home and work address into Google Maps, you need to click on your icon in the upper right hand corner. Then you'll scroll down to where it says Settings, and you'll select that. Now you'll scroll down to where you see it says Edit Home or Work, and you'll select that. Then in the tabs across the upper part where it says Listed, Labeled, Reservations, Following, you want to select Labeled. And now to add your home address, you want to click on Home. I'm just going to type in a fictitious address here. And now to enter your work address, you'll select Work. And that's all you do. Now my home and work addresses are entered into Google Maps. Thanks for watching.